Alright, YouTube modelers, looking at the 1971 Cuda. This is the, I called it a Monogram kit, but it's the Revell Muscle Series. 71 Plymouth Hemi Cuda 426. So this is what we got so far. Body is married to the chassis. I still need the airfoil, the back window, and the shaker hood, which will all be painted gloss black, and then I still got to put the decals on it, which should look super sharp. Hey, I was having a problem though on this back bumper here. There, yeah, the bumper piece below the bumper there didn't want to sit in there right. I'm afraid to play with it because the more you play with it, the worse it gets. So here we go. So far, just an update. Let's open this engine up here. Ooh, fancy.